In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a remittance advice from Xero to suppliers. A remittance advice is a friendly, professional note that tells your supplier which bill you've paid, how much, and when. It helps them match your payment to their records and reduces back and forth. Let's walk through it together so you can send one quickly and confidently. Start by opening Xero and heading to Purchases. This is where all your bills live, and it's the quickest way to find payments you've already made. Next, go to Bills. You'll see different views for bills at various stages. Switch to the Paid section so you're only looking at bills that have been settled. This view is helpful because you won't accidentally send a remittance for something that's still awaiting payment. Find and select the bill you've paid. Take a second to confirm the supplier name, the total amount, and the payment date, especially if that supplier has multiple invoices. Inside the bill, click the payment itself to open the payment details. If the bill was paid in parts, you may see more than one payment line. Choose the one you want to reference in your remittance. On the payment screen, open the options menu. From there, choose Send Remittance. Xero will prepare an email with a clear summary of the payment, including amounts, dates, and references tied to that bill. Now, type or confirm the supplier's email address. If Xero has an email stored for that contact, it will appear automatically. Otherwise, add the appropriate account's payable address. Make sure you're using a monitored inbox so your supplier receives it promptly. Before sending, edit the message to suit your tone and provide context. A concise note works best. Mention the payment date, the invoice number or reference, and a brief thank you. Keep it professional and easy to read. If your payment covered multiple line items, your supplier will appreciate the clarity the remittance provides, so there's no need to restate every detail in the body. Xero includes that in the attachment or message summary. When you're happy with the details, click Send. Xero will deliver the remittance advice to your supplier and record that you sent it, keeping your audit trail neat and complete. That's it. Simple, accurate, and professional. To recap, open Purchases, go to Bills, view Paid, select the bill, open the payment, choose Options, select Send Remittance, confirm the email, customize the message, and send. Follow these steps each time you pay a supplier to keep communication smooth and your records aligned.